So I told you that creating stunning AI images no longer require designer skills. No complicated software, no hours of editing, just a simple idea and a few words. That's where Mage comes in. Mage is an AI-powered platform that can turn your text into the amazing images in just seconds. Whether you want realistic photos, digital artwork, fantasy scenes, anime characters, or social media content, Mage can generate it for you just one prompt. Simply type what you want to create, choose a style, and let the AI to do work. In moments, your imagination become a finished image ready to download, share, or use in your project. For creators, designers, and marketers, anyone who loves creativity, Mage makes creation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. So if you have wanted to bring your ideas life without learning complex design tools, Mage might be exactly what you're looking for. So let's dive in. So guys, here is our platform where you can check it out. Everything is here in front of you. First of all, I will show you that how you can generate the images. You can check out this is trending images and the videos which have generated by the other carriers. Look at that. How cool is that? So let's check out first. So I'm going to give a prompt there. So guys, I have given a prompt and you need to select the basically here is everything like you can slack all the which you want to slack at once mode are also available, auto accurate, and ratio is also available there. So let's dive in and our video will be generated. So guys, here is the images which you have generated and you can click on the same now. If you want to add this image, you can also add this image or what instruction you want to add it on this image. And after that, there are still more things on about this platform, like you can animate your images and use as polls. You can use apps there, you can post them, and in the apps you can do the image enhancer face swaps in Paint. We will check out this thing later, and now let's check out the video section, how you can career the videos. And if in the first frame, last frame is also well over there, you can give the first frame and last frame to the images which you are gaming on this platform, and the first frame will be shown up there in front of you. The last frame will be also shown up or in front of you. How cool is that? So guys, on the screen you can check it out how cool the desserts are. That's amazing and tremendous dessert from this platform. And there are a few more features, guys, like the face swap is also available there in Paint, character, bear, define, image, enhance, that everything is here. If you want to swap your faces, you can upload the images to let me show you how you can do that. So you can see I have in the both images and I'm going to click on this swap. Our image will be swapped in just few seconds. And guys, you can check it out here. Our images have been generated on screen. You can check it out. How cool is that, guys? So guys, you can also do the same. You can also do the face swaps over there. And let me show you, here's the image enhancer is also available there. Like skin enhancer and character swapping is also available there, how you can swap the other characters. So you can also do the same. So guys, you can check it out. I hack in the character swapping and let's click on this swap and image will be in front of you. And here's, guys, you can check it out. Our real image has been created in front of you on the screen. You can check it out. How cool is that? You can career and swap the characters on this platform. And here is, guys, our outfit swaps are also available. Reliable character build is also available there. Layer like character builder, career is also available there. Refine, angels, and scene bidders is also available there. So you can do a lot of things on this platform. And after that, you can create stories. You just need to give the prompt here, select the models, resolution, and aspect ratio. Your videos will be shown up there on this amazing platform. And after that, in the model section, you could find a lot of the models are also there on this platform. Like trending model term newest airborne is there, and the correctors, you can check out a lot of the correctors basically. And the correctors of that attractively is also available there. The audio apps, consecutive creation. Mood boards, motion controls, everything is there. And as in the concept section, you could also find a lot of videos there. And guys, this is how the Mage works. This is one of the best platform, AI creation platform, where you could find a lot of things on this platform. Like recreation is also well up there. You could do a lot of related to the AI. Like can make the images, you can turn your ideas into the reality. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Seen in our next video. So have a great day. Just keep safe.